Amanda Martin Shaver reporting live from Lexington on our backyard as Big Bird is going to be taken away for repairs, and he's got a very flat battery that it just won't even start. So we've got a tow truck here. At first, the guy had to pull Big Bird out from the front and move him further up the yard, and now he's come around the back and he's putting it on the back end under the axles. And once he's got those two pins on the end of that hydraulic arm under the axles, you lift it up a little bit and then slide it back, I think. Oh, it looks like we've got the straps for extra security that it doesn't slip off and knocked off or what have you. So quiet here without the animals because I had to lock them all up. Otherwise, I'd be milling around my fan club. So I'm out here virtually alone without them. There we go, lifting up. Ooh, look how high. Ooh. And I don't know if we saw that. Big Bird fell off the blocks that was under the front wheels. I'm not sure if I captured that. And I'll probably have to move back myself when he starts to move so he can turn around. Well, we haven't got 40 acres to turn this rig around. We've got an acre and a half. I don't think we'll need that. And so I've got to tie all sorts of things up. Tie on the hood of Big Bird, just from flying up and stuff. I might be able to pause this and restart when it gets better. I'm going to try pausing anyway. And coming back to live. He's drawing it in. Okay, he's getting in and he's gonna drive around our front lawn to turn around, and he's putting stuff back. You can see his feet under his truck. And backing up. And let's hope Big Bird behaves himself as he turns. And he and goodbye, Big Bird. See you later. On through the gate. Okay. Goodbye, Big Bird. Goodbye.